Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. In today's video, we will see how to connect to a Wi-Fi network and also how to disconnect from a Wi-Fi network. Okay, in our case, we are going to connect to a Wi-Fi network which is already saved profile. Okay, so first we'll enter the first command netsh wlan show profiles. So you can see here two profiles are already saved. That means we have already connected to Rishi Labs as well as Ghost, and its password is already saved in this computer. Okay, now you can see over here that currently it is connected to Rishi Labs Wi-Fi network. Okay. Now, if I want to connect it to a Ghost, what I can do, I can simply paste this command, okay, and copy this profile over here and paste it. So netsh wlan connect name equals to Ghost. Now it is going to change. Okay, connection request was completed successfully. And you can see over here on Wi-Fi icon, it has now got connected to Ghost. Okay, and suppose if I want to disconnect from the Ghost, I can just disconnect from the current Wi-Fi using this command netsh wlan disconnect. Okay, you will see disconnection request was completed successfully for interface Wi-Fi. At the bottom you will see it has got changed to Rishi Labs. Similarly, you can reconnect using the previous command. Connection request was successful, and you can see over here it has got changed to Ghost. So that's all for today, guys. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. Thanks for watching.